How to delete Reddit account. So here is a step-by-step guide on how to do so. First of all, open the Reddit app on your mobile device and make sure that you are logged into your Reddit account. Also know that deleting a Reddit account is permanent. You cannot recover it later. Then tap on a profile icon at the top right corner of your screen. Then scroll down and tap on the settings button available at the bottom. Now, once inside the settings, scroll down till the bottom unless you see delete account option available and simply tap on it. Once you tap on the delete account, you will be asked to enter your username and password. Simply type down your username and password and confirm the deletion. Now, Reddit will again ask you that if you seriously want to delete this account or not and ask for you a valid reason, simply type down a valid reason if you want to and tap on the delete. And that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.